So in today's video we discuss how to create a triangular ruler. So this symbol how to create in our computer. For doing this you must open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that you can try a keyboard shortcut, that is Alt 128208. Okay, I'll show you how to create this triangular ruler. So first you must click the num log. Now we can see that the number log have been enabled. Now you can see the alt key on the left side as a space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Do not remove your finger from this alt key. Same time you must type here 128208. After typing 128208, you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that this triangular ruler symbol arrived. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.